Show you what we've done. See if this internet myth works. We have our check engine light on. We have 420, 430. I cleared them and then came back. I cleaned the intake and all that. I don't know why the link code's there. According to what the internet says, you have to buy non-foulers to go in between the oxygen sensor and catalytic converter. The back oxygen sensor, the last one closest to the back of the truck, is the one that reads the catalytic converter. Tells you if it's good or bad. Now there's two different part numbers here. These ones are shorter. If you look at the barrel, they're shorter by just barely an 1/8 inch, but this will give us, we're going with the ones without, they both will work without the compression rings because they're a little bit bigger. You're going to have to drill it out 1/2 inch, so you're going to have to use 3 or 4 drill bits because 1/2 inch is a lot of work. Make sure you oil it. This is going to go on the oxygen sensor, and then you're going to take the other one, which you didn't drill out, and you're going to put that into there, but in the middle you're going to put a little steel wool to try to filter out some of the contaminants that the oxygen sensor is seeing. The oxygen sensor is looking at you're not getting everything, you don't have clean air coming out the catalytic. So you're going to take steel wool. Do not use SOS pads. They have chemicals, cleaners. You don't want that. You're going to take a little tiny piece of steel wool. Steel wool, you should use stainless so it won't rust, but for what we're doing for the moment, this will work. You can get it at any hardware store. It's $2 or $3. They have different versions, 000, 4 zeros, 2 zeros. Just get the middle one if you want to do something at home cleaning with. Good to polish rims and stuff. Put them together. And I would suggest using anti-seize so they can come apart again if you need it. You can get little packages for $1 at the auto parts store. And then putting the oxygen sensor in there. We're going to go do it. We're going to let you know how it does. You need to drive at least 50 miles. You need to drive what they call duty cycles, regular traffic, expressway traffic, stop, go. And we tried it the other day with 49 miles and the place kicked us out, not enough data. Then once it got over 70 is when I kicked in the codes. So we're going to go with this. The catalytics might be bad. So there's 2 of them on here. I'll let you know in a second. Here's what she looks like. She's a rear oxygen sensor.